Potable Crown, often referred to as the King of Street, has earned this title due to his rapid rise within the Nigerian street music scene, particularly with his hit songs that resonate deeply with the experiences and culture of the streets. His music, which blends Afrobeat, street pop, and trap influences, captures the essence of street life, making him a favorite among young Nigerians. The King of Street title is a nod to his authenticity and how his sound reflects the everyday struggles, celebrations, and energy of the street culture. Potable's lyrics often feature themes that address street life, hustle, and resilience, resonating with many listeners. His ability to produce catchy and relatable street anthems has solidified his place in the growing genre of Nigerian street music. Despite controversies surrounding his personal life and outspoken nature, Potable's undeniable influence and popularity in the Nigerian music scene have earned him recognition as one of the most prominent figures in the street music subculture.